Hi, this is Tori Amos, silent all these years. Excuse me, but can I be here for a while? But don't go away, you sit real still. I got the Antichrist in the kitchen yelling at me again. Yeah, I can hear that. And saved again by the garbage truck. I got something to say, but comes. Yes, I know what you think of me. You never shut up. Yes, I can hear that. What if I'm a mermaid in these jeans of his with her name still on it? But I don't care. Sometimes I said, sometimes I hear my voice, and it's been to all these years. So you found a girl who thinks really deep thoughts. So amazing about really deep thoughts. Boy, you best pray that I bleed real soon. 'Cause that thought for you, that scream got lost in a paper cup. Think there's a heaven where some screams are gone. 25 bucks and a cracker. Do you think that's enough to get us there? What if I'm a mermaid with my his jeans of his with her name still on it? But I don't care, 'cause sometimes I said sometimes I hear my voice, and it's been silent all these. It's so my funny shame. You should think of baby, don't look down. The sky is falling in my shorts. Dress. Your dance. You take a hold of my hand. Yeah, I can hear them. But if I'm a mermaid in these dreams of yours with her name still on it, I don't care, 'cause sometimes I said sometimes I hear my voice, and it's been all these